Homeo Guru. Please subscribe our channel, press bell icon to get continuous updates about new videos. Topic based video part 27. Pathognomonic signs. Pathognomonic signs. It is characteristic for a particular disease. A pathognomonic sign is a particular sign whose presence that a particular disease is present beyond any doubt. Examples: in COPD, barrel chest; in pneumonia, rusty sputum; in pernicious anemia, beefy red tongue; in Kawasaki disease, strawberry tongue; malaria, Stepladder fever; in typhoid, rose spot; pancreatitis, Cullen sign; in appendicitis, Rosin sign; thrombophlebitis, Homan sign; in cholecystitis, Murphy's sign; Cushing syndrome, buffalo hump; in hyperthyroidism, exophthalmosis; meningitis, Kerning sign; in myasthenia gravis, ptosis; Hirschsprung disease, ribbon-like stool; in SLE, butterfly rashes; measles, Koplik spot; in Down syndrome, single crease on palm; Parkinson's disease, pill-rolling tremor; in rheumatic fever, Aschoff nodules; in gout, Toffee formation; osteoarthritis, Boucher's knots and Herbert knots; intussusception, red currant jelly stool; pyloric stenosis, projectile vomiting; tetralogy of Fallot, boot-shaped hurt. Thank you.